Hello besties, grocery haul. I'm gonna start with Aldi, chuck roast, ground meat, bacon, pork chops, thick cut pork chop, croissant, 2 things of Texas toast, black Angus bacon cheddar cheeseburger, whipped cream cheese, butter, 3 dozen eggs, marshmallow, toaster, Pop-Tarts. These are strawberry and frosted brown sugar cinnamon, the Kung Pao ramen, and the teriyaki ramen, 2 things of chocolate chip cookies, 4 cheese dip and cracker stick, 2 double filled Oreos, 2 things of iced oatmeal cookies, paprika, 2 things of mayonnaise, a thing of Slim Jims, generic bacon bits, 2 things of ketchup, peaches, salad mix, stick butter, 1 cucumber, 2 bunches of bananas, 2 things of sliced cheese, 1 thing of cherry tomatoes, mandarin oranges, 4 cans of green beans, 2 cans of carrots, 1 can of jelly cranberry sauce. There's the other ketchup. There's the other carrot. This is dill spears, 2 things of new tubes, 2 cans of chili, honey mustard, 2 things of sugar, instant oatmeal, the fruit kind, 2 things of cornbread stuffing, 4 boxes of shells and cheese, 2 things of brown gravy mix, a thing of vegetable oil, 2 cans of chicken. This is marshmallow stars, cocoa puffs, and 2 things of fruit rounds. This is the only cereal that is under $2 at Aldi's. Alfredo, roasted garlic Alfredo, meat, tomato, basil, and this one is just roasted garlic. These are protein select snacks. This one is honey brown sugar turkey sugar sausage bites and cheddar cheese. This one is the mild cheddar cheese and beef sausage. These are chicken egg rolls, pork egg rolls, and we got, what is this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2 of the 12 count of yogurt, all different flavors. Don't come for me because everything is in the sink. You know, I got a tiny kitchen. We got maple sausage, 2 things of the chicken strip. I got 2 of these garlic knots. They were on sale for $1 off. We got 2 meatballs, 2 steak fries, a bag of chicken breast, and a bag of boneless chicken tenderloins, cheddar brat, 2 bags of the mandarin orange chicken, which reminds me I gotta go get some fried fries, 2 bags of seasoned fresh fries, 2 bags of the family size chicken nuggets, and 2 bags of chicken breast patty. I also got a 12 count of oodles and noodles. I will go back and get another one. And 2 gallons of milk. That is everything from Aldi. Now on to Schweibel's bread. I've got 2 things of not Eggos. What are these called? English muffins. Jesus. 2 things of English muffins. 2 things of hamburger buns. 1 sub roll. I got 5 loaves of bread because this was 99 cents. I got a 4-pack of plain bagels and a 4 count of the everything bagel. Okay, I got 2 family size cupcakes, 2 family size Twinkies. We picked up these bouncers. They're glazed Twinkie mini cakes. Never had them. We'll see what they taste like. 2 things of ho-hos. I got 4 of the lemon drizzle baby bumps. They were 2 for $6. We got 2 of the baseball cupcakes. These were 2 for $6. 2 of the strawberry cupcakes. Those were also 2 for $6. And I also got this big box of mini muffins. This was $9. And that's all. Oh, wait a minute. And hubby picked me up another one of these non-stick square brownie pans from Aldi. If you have an Aldi's near you, they're only $1.99, so you might as well grab you one. And that's all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Does she look like she been out drinking?
And Tia does Carmelo's hair. Rare.
My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Oh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Hello besties, this is Walmart grocery haul. We got Pringle, you see the flavors. We got the Wise Classic Mix, you see the flavors. A bag of red onions, Granny Smith or green apples, Simply Lemonade, because I'm going to try that little TikTok viral thingy. Extra sweet leaf, extra sweet tea, pure leaf for hubby. String cheese, ground donut shop ground coffee, because coffee pods are getting expensive. Frosted cookies and cream, Pop-Tarts, peanut butter crackers for the kids. The variety pack for husband. The high protein breakfast essentials grab and go drinks. These are for hubby because he needs more protein. What is this? The gel fruit, peaches and oranges, sharp cheddar cheese ball, the Amish macaroni salad, strawberry lemonade and tropical punch, a 10-pack of Yoo-Hoo, 2 things of Welch's fruit snack. These are Kind bars, the dark chocolate nuts and sea salt, as well as the dark chocolate cocoa. These are for husband, again, to help boost his protein. We got the Land O'Lakes honey, garlic and herb, cinnamon and sugar, some cubed Colby and Monterey Jack, and mild cheddar. I picked up this black tea. It says Earl Grey, but it's black tea because I want to try to make my own black tea lemonade. The cinnamon toast crunch treats and crunch berry treats. The chewy granola, chewy yogurt granola bars, strawberry and blueberry. Another thing of fruit oatmeal, and this is Italian sweet cream and chocolate caramel coffee creamer. We also picked up a case of water, a case of Kool-Aid Jammers, a case of Sunny D, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and sparkling ice. It actually tastes pretty good. I just need it to be extremely cold in order for me to drink it. And that is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, take me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. Luxury. I work too hard, oh my. Luxury. We come so far, oh I. Luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds. Luxury. Every day I'm alive. It's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux.
Hello, besties. Third and final haul. I went to Giant Eagle. They were having a special. Today is Donut Friday, so you get, what is this? A dozen donuts for $9.99. Two things of tomato, lettuce, basically a grill kit, because I think I'm gonna make hamburgers tomorrow. Bell pepper cut up, because y'all know I'm a little lazy. Some caramel dip, because it goes best with apples. This is the Ghost Sour Patch Blue Raspberry Energy Drink. They were on clearance for 50 cents. I don't know if people don't like them or what, but I'm going to give it a try. This is the lemonade to put with my black tea to make my black tea lemonade. I got two of the au jus dip because I need that for the Mississippi pot roast. The blue raspberry lemonade to make that viral lemonade that they make. I needed a coffee filter, and this is a reusable one instead of buying the paper. Chopped up onions, and dinner tonight is pepperoni croissant DiGiorno pizza. Also picked up 3 cases of water because it was on sale, 3 for $10. And we got Mountain Dew, ginger ale, and another thing of Pepsi. That's all. I'm gonna put it away.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care.